Anti-shock pad set. Screws for casters. Screws for table. For casters. Long screws for stand. Screws for securing the machine and the stand. Open the toolbox and find the Allen wrench set. Find the long screws for stand. Find the 3mm Allen wrench. Install the front support with the stand. Turn the support with Smartstitch logo upside down. Connect the support and stand together using long screws and half tighten the screw. Install the back support with the stand, and half tighten the screws. Since the screws were only half tightened during installation, the stand is loose. Here we need to install the plate to the stand. Connect plate and stand with long screws, and half tighten them. Tighten all the screws. When tighten the screw, make sure the front support is flat with the stand. Tighten all the screws. Prepare for casters. Allen wrench and screws for casters. Prepare 16 sets of screws, spring washers and flat washers. Install the spring washer first and then flat washer to the screw. Place the caster. Use 5mm Allen wrench to install the screws and tighten them. The foot is higher than the caster. We need to turn it down so that the caster can move. Now the foot is lower than the caster, so the caster can move. Flip the stand. Place the anti-shock pads. You can find 4 screws in the bag containing the anti-shock pads. Install the screws at this hole. There's another hole. Don't install the screw here. Use 4mm Allen wrench to install the screw and tighten it. Place the machine on the stand. Remove the protective cover from the panel. Prepare Allen wrench, 19mm wrench, screws for securing the machine and the stand. Secure the machine foot on the pad, and tighten the nut with a 19mm wrench. Install the nut to the screw end. Connect the machine with the stand. Use the 14mm wrench to tighten the nut. Move the machine to the location where you need to fix it. Turn the foot down and tighten the nut with 19mm wrench.